Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. I am Mamta Nagrath and I welcome you all on my channel Mamta Nagrath. Here we discuss about various study programs in German based universities. In today's video, I am going to discuss about a study program in a private university of Germany, that is Frankfurt School of Finance and Management, and the course conducted by this School of Management is Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. In my video, I will be discussing about each and every aspect related to the course and the admission process. So let us begin the video. This course is an English taught program. It is of 7 semesters, that is 3.5 years program. Students have a choice to study the entire course either in English or they can study the first 3 semesters in German language followed by the English language. The students have to pay a fee of Euro 7,700 per semester. Students have to compulsorily attend a semester abroad, and students who are doing the international management as the elective subject, they can do 2 semesters abroad, meaning thereby their internship can take place in the outside the Germany. As far as the course is concerned, this is a very good course since it is a course of global accreditation and also the national accreditation. There is a thesis which you have to complete in the 7th semester of the curriculum. Student of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration of Frankfurt School of Management, one can do the studies as well as the part-time job also. You are allowed to do a student job in addition to your studies. The studies take place from Monday to Saturday, any 4 to 5 days, and there is a flexibility also to attend the classes. The students get lot of hands-on experience while doing this course. In addition to their theoretical classes, they get the practical hands-on experience while doing the student's job. Frankfurt School of Finance and Management ranked number 1 among the Germany's best universities for auditors. It also rated as an outstanding university among the German universities. Now comes the admission process. The admission process consists of online application process which you have to submit from 1st June till 30th of June. And if you need a guaranteed spot in this Bachelor of Science program, then you are required to provide them with all necessary documents and successfully completed the application process. Applications after 30th June will still be considered. However, the places will be assigned depending on the availability and academic merit. You must fulfill the following requirements before the start of your studies. Complete a secondary school diploma, for example, German Abitur, IB, EB or equivalent. If you have not graduated yet, then you can apply for uploading your last 2 school reports card. Successfully complete the online assessment center, which consists of the mathematics test, cognitive test, English test and an interview. Alternatively, you can provide with one of the following test results in your online application, that is SAT, ACT or Test AS plus standardized English test. In this case, you will also be required to take part in an online interview. Most likely, the IELTS academic overall score 6.5 is acceptable. Frankfurt School of Finance and Management is soon conducting a Bachelor's Day on 17th June 2023, for which registrations are open. Guys, you register yourself on this portal. I will be giving you the link of registration in my description box. You can always check out on the university website. Link of the university website I will be giving in my description box. And in case any of you have any queries, you can always come back by giving your queries in the writing the queries in the comment box. I will be most happy to research upon it and give you the answers. As far as the bachelor's day is concerned, you will get answers to most of your queries, and you will have more insight when you want to attend seriously about this course. Thank you so much for listening to my video. Do like, share and subscribe, and I look forward for your more comments and more suggestions if you have any, and I'll be happy to share as much information as I can gather for you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.